What if the world's most famous movie, Mustang, came back with 580 horsepower and a $180,000 price tag? Meet the ultimate 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback Eleanor. There are classic Mustangs, and then there's Eleanor, a name that instantly sparks excitement among muscle car enthusiasts around the world. But this isn't just another restored classic. This is a meticulously crafted 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback Eleanor Restomod, blending timeless American muscle with modern engineering, premium craftsmanship, and breathtaking performance. Valued at an incredible $180,000, this machine is more than a car, it's an automotive masterpiece. From the very first glance, the aggressive stance commands attention. Every body line flows with purpose, while the unmistakable Eleanor styling transforms this Mustang into rolling artwork. The chrome bumpers gleam under the light, giving the front end a perfect balance between vintage elegance and raw aggression. The iconic center-driving fog lights immediately identify this car as something special, while the muscular fender flares widen the stance and hint at the immense power hiding beneath the hood. Walking around the car reveals even more details. The Shelby-style taillights modernize the rear while staying true to classic Mustang heritage. The beautifully finished trunk showcases the builder's commitment to excellence, proving that every inch of this car received meticulous attention. Completing the aggressive look are the legendary GT40-style wheels wrapped in 225 45 R7i tires up front and massive 235 R18 tires in the rear, providing both incredible grip and a perfectly balanced stance. But the real magic begins the moment the hood opens. Sitting proudly in the engine bay is a Ford Performance 5.2-liter Aluminator crate V8, producing a breathtaking 580 horsepower. This modern powerhouse transforms the classic Mustang into a genuine supercar killer. Every press of the throttle unleashes instant response, while the deep V8 rumble reminds everyone nearby that this is pure American performance at its finest. Keeping this beast cool are dual electric fans that ensure optimal temperatures, whether cruising through city streets or pushing hard on winding back roads. The engine bay itself is beautifully organized, reflecting the same level of craftsmanship found throughout the entire vehicle. Power is delivered through one of the most respected manual transmissions ever built, the Tremec T56 6-speed manual gearbox. Every shift feels precise, mechanical, and deeply satisfying. Combined with the hydraulic clutch, gear changes remain smooth enough for everyday driving while delivering the connected driving experience enthusiasts demand. Sending all 580 horsepower to the pavement is the legendary Ford 9-inch rear end, a proven drivetrain component famous for handling enormous amounts of power. Whether launching from a stop or accelerating through the gears, this drivetrain is engineered to withstand serious performance. Handling has been completely transformed thanks to an upgraded suspension system. Tubular upper and lower control arms dramatically improve steering precision and suspension geometry, while the panhard bar keeps the rear axle perfectly planted during aggressive cornering. The result is a classic Mustang that feels remarkably composed and confident. Even at modern highway speeds, stopping power is equally impressive. Massive Wilwood performance brakes paired with drilled and slotted rotors provide exceptional braking performance. Power brakes make daily driving effortless, while the upgraded braking system inspires confidence whenever spirited driving calls for serious stopping capability. One of Eleanor's signature styling cues is the side exit exhaust system. Beyond its aggressive appearance, it produces an unforgettable soundtrack. At idle, the V8 delivers a deep, confident rumble. Under acceleration, the exhaust roars with a powerful mechanical symphony that sends chills through every muscle car enthusiast. Looking underneath reveals the same commitment to quality. An aluminum fuel tank improves durability while reducing weight. The upgraded suspension components continue throughout the chassis, and the V-band clamp exhaust system ensures reliability and easy servicing. An explosion-proof bell housing adds another layer of safety, reflecting the thoughtful engineering behind this incredible build. Step inside, and the cabin immediately surrounds you with premium craftsmanship. The custom black interior creates a luxurious atmosphere while preserving the classic Mustang character. Every surface feels purposeful, every detail thoughtfully finished. The beautifully crafted wooden steering wheel serves as the perfect centerpiece, combining vintage elegance with sporty design. The center console integrates seamlessly into the cabin, offering both convenience and refined styling. Power windows introduce modern comfort, while the upgraded audio system allows every drive to be accompanied by your favorite soundtrack. Floor mats protect the beautifully finished interior, while the single hoop roll bar reminds occupants that this Eleanor was engineered with performance in mind. Even the finished trunk continues the theme of exceptional craftsmanship, ensuring every compartment reflects the same high standard. Driving this Mustang is unlike driving an ordinary classic car. Turn the key, and the Aluminator V8 instantly comes to life with authority. Press the clutch, engage first gear, and every movement feels connected. The steering communicates the road beautifully, the suspension absorbs imperfections while remaining composed, and every throttle input unleashes thrilling acceleration. This isn't simply transportation, it's an experience. Every stoplight becomes a car show. Every tunnel becomes an opportunity to hear the glorious V8 echo through the walls. Every drive becomes a memory worth repeating. What truly makes this Eleanor exceptional is its balance. It retains the timeless beauty of the original 1968 Mustang Fastback while incorporating modern performance upgrades that dramatically improve reliability, comfort, handling, and power. It respects history without being trapped by it. At $180,000, this is far more than a restored Mustang. It's a hand-built automotive icon capable of competing with many modern performance cars while delivering an emotional driving experience that no new vehicle can replicate. The legendary Eleanor name continues to inspire enthusiasts around the world, and this remarkable build proves exactly why. With 580 horsepower, a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, Ford performance engineering, premium craftsmanship, and unmistakable movie-inspired styling, this 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback Eleanor stands as one of the most desirable Restomods ever created. If there were only one classic American muscle car capable of combining timeless design, modern performance, and true collector appeal, this extraordinary Eleanor would undoubtedly be one of the strongest contenders.